police respond to noise complaints at cemetery. What they discover leaves everyone stunned. Officer Ike Craig, known for his integrity and determination, worked in a small town in Ohio. Over the past week, he had received multiple reports of eerie screams coming from the local cemetery every night. Yet whenever he went to investigate, the graveyard was silent, with no signs of anything unusual. Determined to solve the mystery, Ike volunteered for an overnight stakeout. Armed with a flashlight, a recording device, and an old shovel, he ventured alone into the cemetery. Hours passed in complete silence. Just as he was about to call it a night, a piercing scream shattered the stillness. Ike sprinted toward the sound, which seemed to emanate from beneath an old worn gravestone. Shining his flashlight, he noticed the soil around the headstone was loose, with a faint opening visible beneath it. Carefully, he began digging with his shovel. When the hole was fully revealed, Ike gasped in shock. What he saw beneath the ground defied all expectations. Comment cemetery for part 2.